at least the negativity surrounding this event we have to remove, so it does not have too much strength. Even though these strange hiccups left me feeling very uncomfortable. Still, I deeply and completely love, forgive, and accept myself. Even though this feeling of discomfort was too much, and it kept on repeating for 2 days. Still, I deeply and completely love, forgive, and accept myself. Even though I feel health wise not everything is okay, still, I deeply and completely love, forgive, and accept myself. Tap the beginning of eyebrow point. Some weakness and laziness in the body. Eye and point. These hiccups below the eyes. This discomfort below the nose. These hiccups. Chin groove. These discomfort. This discomfort below the collarbone. This weakness below the armpits, this laziness on the lower ribs, these hiccups, thumbnail, this discomfort, forefinger, this weakness, little finger, this laziness, middle finger, little finger, this discomfort, karate chop. Still, I deeply and completely love, forgive, and accept myself. Tap the back of palm point, keep tapping. Close your eyes tight, open your eyes wide, look left down without turning your head, look right down without turning your head, roll your eyeballs, left to right full circle, right to left full circle, hum a tune. Quickly count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again hum a tune. Come back to karate chop. I deeply and completely love, forgive, and accept myself. I choose to be free from these hiccups, and I deeply and completely love, forgive, and accept myself. I choose to be free from this discomfort, and I deeply and completely love, forgive, and accept myself. I choose to be free from this weakness and this laziness, and I deeply and completely love, forgive, and accept myself. Tap the beginning of eyebrow point. Free from these hiccups. Eye and point. Free from the causes of these hiccups. Below the eyes. Free from this discomfort. Below the nose. Free from all the causes of this discomfort. Chin groove. Free from this weakness. below the collarbone, free from this laziness, below the armpit, active and energetic. The lower ribs in front, enthusiastic and energetic. Hamne. Do the things now. Things now. Forefinger. Take action now. Middle finger. Let go these hiccups. Little finger. Let go of this discomfort. Karate chop. And I deeply and completely love, forgive, and accept myself. Massage the tender spot on the shoulder as you take a deep breath in. Gently press and hold the point as you breathe out long from the mouth.